What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to download and install Bluestacks on your PC or laptop. So let's get started right now. So what you wanna do guys, you wanna search on Google Bluestacks, okay? It's a very famous company, and the best thing about this program is it's very safe for your laptop and your PC, and you don't have to be scared of anything like other programs. So all you have to do guys is just click Bluestacks, best mobile gaming platform for PC and Mac. Okay, all right. Now if you want to download Bluestacks, what you want to do guys, you want to just scroll down. Let me change the language to English because this is not English. All right, you want to scroll down a little bit and then click this green. It's called download Bluestacks. Make sure it's green. Okay, click download Bluestacks, or if you scroll down you will see here in the top download Bluestacks, but I suggest make sure to download this. As you can see, this is the picture. Make sure don't download this one. Just click here. All right, now it's going to start downloading. As you can see here, you want to click the program. Just click the program, open it, and then click yes. Just allow this program to use, and then click install now. Okay, it's going to take a few minutes. It depends on your internet connection. Okay, so we have to wait until it's installed. As you can see here, it's 85%. It's going to it's going to now the program is installed on our PC. This is how it looks. Make sure just to click this Bluestacks 5. Like I said, this is how it looks. You can do everything you want. If you want to go to Play Store, go to Play Store, and then make sure to create an account like you do on your phone. You can do multiple things here. For example, you can, there are a lot of settings by the way here, a lot of settings if you want to play your favorite games. If you want me to do all a review about this whole program, let me know in the comments. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.